Hey, let me reach this volume button here. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got this RETEKESS, however you pronounce it, TR614 AM/FM shortwave radio, and I'm trying to listen to shortwave. It is about 3:40 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida, local time, and I'm getting some strong signals that are in the United States. And this one, which is, and I've verified this by using my SDR on an external antenna, and it's got a super powerful signal coming in. This is Radio Martini at 11.860. Let me turn it back up. There we go.
Hay que recordar y tener en cuenta que con eso viene acompañado asesores, con eso viene acompañado la presencia.
Turn it back down. I'm using the built-in telescopic antenna. I'm in my workshop, and I've got a lot less electronics on than I have up in my office. I do have my computer on, and I do have the cell phone that's recording this. And I think that's really the biggest thing that's could cause interference. Of course, the computer is on Wi-Fi, so it's got a Wi-Fi signal on, and I do have numerous LED and fluorescent lights on. So, doing pretty good.
Es una amenaza a la seguridad nacional de los Estados Unidos, y para estos regímenes dictatoriales es una forma.
So let's try tuning up. Again, this is the first one I found at 11.86. So let's tune up the band here. That's down. I'm going to turn the volume up. Oh, going the wrong way again. This is a DSP, so it's a little touchy tuning. It's got to get a chance to lock on. No, I'm not finding much. Now the shortwave band on this radio starts at 8 megahertz. Getting some interference. So we're going to keep moving. Yeah, lots of interference. Let's go all the way down to 8 megahertz. See if we can get something on the 31 meter band. Okay, 8 megahertz. I'm just not doing too good on shortwave. Now, just for contrast, for grins, let me put that back over there out of the way. I do have, because I was testing this before, I do have my RETEKESS V115. I don't know if the battery's still charged. This has been down here for quite a while. Turn it on. See what it says about the battery. We got 2 bars. Okay, now if I can remember how to do it, I'm going to scan the bands. I think this is push and hold here. Okay, it started from where it was. That's fine. So it's scanning. Oops, I don't want to fall over there. And let's see what it finds, if anything. the solar flux index went back down. It's, I think, 93 or 95 today. So that's really a negative. I was hoping it was going to continue to climb when it hit 3 digits, like 115, 120. But just like the weather, it's changed. The weather's really changed here in Florida. Last week it was in the 40s and 50s. Today this afternoon it's in the 80s. I'm wearing shorts. What a contrast. Okay, we're not finding anything, but we didn't find anything on the other RETEKESS. So we're at 8.8. I'm going to scan up to about, I was listening to 11.86, so let's go to scan up to there at least. Now, using the scan mode is not ideal compared to just manually scanning, because it's going to miss things. You know, the signal might fluctuate a little bit, and just as it passes this frequency, that frequency, the signal goes down, what misses it. So, not the best way to find signals. Easiest way, but not the best way. So if it doesn't find it, then I'm just going to plug in the frequency. But I'm looking at my SDR. This is my RSP-DX, and it's got a whopping signal using my mega loop antenna, which you could expect compared to using this one's just over, I think, 18 inches, this telescopic antenna. It's also best when using a built-in antenna to go outside. But this is a nice day, but I just didn't want to drag all my camera or my cell phone out to record it. It's okay, it's got 10.9. We're looking for 1186 to see if it finds anything. Maybe it won't. You know, doing a scan. Like I said, I'll let it go just beyond that, then I'll stop it and see if I can manually tune it. And it will probably show you that using the automatic scan option is not the best way to find stations, especially when the solar flux index is not very good. Okay, 11.6. We're looking for 1186 coming up on it. 8, and we found it.
Rusia ha expulsado al número 2 de la embajada de Estados
pretty good.
Unidos en Hong Kong. O sea, ha escalado.
Okay, I'm going to let it scan beyond there. I'll try to get it. Okay, it's going to scan beyond there. I'm not going to let it scan very long. I think that's the same. Yeah, that's Radio Martini also. 11.925. And I'll scan beyond there. I'm just trying to see if I can find anything else that I could try on the other. Oh. Wow. That's strong. 12.05. Okay, let's turn this off. 12.05. So we're going to have to manually tune this. That's what I like about digital. You know exactly where you are. So what did I say, 11 point? Oh, gee, I forgot already. Oh, my gosh. I turned it back on. Yep. 12.05. Loud and clear. 12.05. So let me set that down. So that would be not too far away. Here's about 12. I think I passed it. Okay, I'm way beyond it. We go back. Should be right in there. There's a mosquito. Get out of here, you mosquitoes. I can't find it. No. Okay, whoop. There's something. I don't know if that's it or not. Let me try. Verify that. I lost it on this radio. Let's see, is it? No? Turn this down. Oh, that's it, I think. Yeah, this radio is actually doing better than this one now. Turn the volume up. Probably getting some kind of interaction. Yeah, get that mosquito. No, that's different stations. I think that is Radio Martini. Let me scan down. Oops, start it over. Okay, forget that. So I think this, with this little bit of testing, and I got a lot of variables here, I think as far as shortwave on this radio, it's going to be difficult to tune. This is really for FM and medium wave. Shortwave is going to be difficult to tune because shortwave is difficult to tune anyway on any radio. I still like this little radio. I mean, it's very inexpensive. This is the V115. I still like this radio. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.